Hi guys, my name is Tolulope Adedara, also known as Onigele. I'm the CEO of Oni Gele Crafts, the foremost headgear craft company in Nigeria. Today I'll be showing you the best, the easiest way to tie your gele with any material, alright?
So for this particular style, we'll be using an Ankara material. So this style, you can use any material, you can use any fabric, but we're using that Ankara material. So basically, you're dividing the breadth into two equal sides. The length of the material is 2 yards. All right. So if you have a gele material with you and you have a 2-yard material, this is the best style to go for. All right. It's very easy, it's very classy, and it won't take time. Within 2 minutes, you're done. So when it comes to gele tying, oftentimes we use formulas. Oftentimes we use formulas or measurements to know when to start. So for this material, we're doing 50-50. So one is 50, the other is 50. So basically we consider every material to be 100% in length. So this is 50 to the left and 50 to the right. And for us to start, we're starting with the 50. So I'll start from the back. This 50, the middle point is at the back of the head, and we're bringing all this forward to the front. It's that simple. So the left is 50 and the right is 50, and they're both meeting at the center. So all you need to do is to just bring your hands here, all the 50 on one end, and then you take all the 50 from here on the other side. So what you do here is we're going to do a twist in the middle. You're doing a twist at the center just twice. So this is it. Okay, so we're taking this at the back, we're twisting a second time. So we're just twisting one, right? And as we twist, we take the left in here. So there's a space here. We're sticking this in there.
And we're sticking this in here as well.
Alright guys, so this is it. You can see in 2 minutes you're done. It's that simple, it's that easy. You can achieve this anytime, any day. Just follow the techniques and you get it. Alright guys, so for the next style, we'll be showing you how to tie a classic, easy bow style. Alright, this particular style can work on any type of outfit depending on where you're going to. It's left to you to decide. So the measurement is 30-70, but the easiest way to go about it is to divide the material into 3 equal parts. So this is a long material. This is a 2-yard length as well. So we're just going to divide it into 3 equal parts, and we will get the measurements. We will get the base like that. So this is 3 equal sides, and I'll be starting from one of the sides. So this side is where I'm starting from. So this part is considered to be the center of the gele. So I'm starting from the back, and this is where I'm starting from. All right, so the measurement for this style is 30-70. All right, and we are starting from the 30. 30 starts from the back, so it's starting, the 30 is on your left and the 70 is on your right. All right, so this is the 70 and this is the 30, and what we'll do is they both meet at the center, and we're going to be tying at the center. So I'm taking the 30 around the 70. So I'm taking the 30 around the 70, and we're going to be tying this like this. So the 30 is tying. So once it is tight, we're just going to take this 30 all the way to the back. So the 30 is at the back, and I pin down for now because we will adjust later. All right. So this is the 70. All right. Now, for you to get a bow, right, what we will do is this place, we're just going to take this. So the longest part, which is the 70, you're just going to do this. So doing this all the way till we get to the center. Then we'll take out the 30 and we'll place this right in the middle, and we cover this back. Now this 30 is going in here. All right, so we're just going to pin this side down. So you have to be careful not to hurt yourself. Okay, so we're just going to pin the edges in. Remember we tucked it in, so we're just going to pin down the side. And that's all we're going to do. I'll repeat the same thing on the other side. First, take this in. Make sure you have the same size with this. So I'll pin down. Pin this down with the backs. You capture that. And we also pin this down at the back. Alright guys, thank you for listening and watching. This is how you create your beautiful Onigele in 2 minutes. It's that simple, it's that easy. So until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.